What if the future of color, materials, and everyday products could be inspired by nature itself? At Northeastern University, Professor Leila Deravi is uncovering how organisms create vibrant colors, durable proteins, and adaptive biological systems. Her lab rebuilds these natural materials in innovative ways, crafting safer alternatives for cosmetics, paints, textiles, and even food. By studying how nature solves problems, she's pioneering materials that are cleaner, longer-lasting, and environmentally responsible.
Hi, my name is Leila Deravi, and I'm an associate professor of chemistry and chemical biology at Northeastern University. And here at Northeastern, I lead a group called the Biomaterials Design Group, where we are a group of about 10 students, undergraduates and graduates and postdoctoral scholars who are working together to uncover how systems in biology work and how to design materials that are inspired by them. So about 10 years ago, my research team had decided to investigate the molecular mechanisms behind how do cephalopods like cuttlefish, squid, and octopus, how do they camouflage in the ocean? And one of the things that we discovered was a small molecule called xanthomatin, and xanthomatin is a metabolite of the amino acid tryptophan. And what we discovered is that this molecule is actually sequestered in tiny nanoparticles within the animal's skin in these dermal color organs called chromatophores. And we not only did we discover their presence in the skin of the animals, but we also identified really interesting, unique properties associated with them. So just to give you a few examples, we had some team members who were investigating their use as an antioxidant, so for skincare applications, as a robust UV protective colorant for paints and coatings. We wanted to figure out a solution that was inspired directly by how nature has evolved to form protective molecules. Through all the different emerging innovations and technologies that were developed at the basic science, so the fundamental science level in the research lab, we've been able to translate everything from a concept, so an initial seedling of an idea, to something tangible that we believe can be used as a material to meet some key needs in the industries. We've had so many great engagements with CRI at Northeastern and all the leadership across the board in CRI. They've been able to make really great connections with key stakeholders, both in the Boston area, across Massachusetts, and also now we're looking at global partners as well. So it's been a really amazing platform for us to be able to take our basic science research that we're doing in the lab and actually start to think about potential partner needs and partnerships that can be able to take this to the next level.